Wow, to so many of us, today feels like a dream come true. On April 5th, 1947, villagers came out in black ties and evening gowns to celebrate the opening of the Lorenzo Theater. Designed by Alexander Canton, who has been called a rebel in a camp of architects, the theater boasts black light murals created by world-renowned artist Anthony Heisbergen, the foremost designer of paintings in North American movie theaters. But sadly, in 1982, after 35 glorious years, the theater was abandoned. In 1984, I was told the theater would be destroyed, but thankfully, many believed that paradise was waiting to return.
The journey to this day has truly been a community effort, and it was identified as a priority by the San Lorenzo residents. So Alameda County jumped in and acquired the theater in 2009. And so we recognize the importance of it as a downtown anchor building and as well as a community resource.
This project is so exciting for San Lorenzo and unincorporated Alameda County because this theater sits at the heart of San Lorenzo. The theater itself is recognized as a historic landmark. And the importance of this project in particular is that we're able to make improvements to the facade of the theater finally, correct all of the neon on the marquee and the tower that make up the Lorenzo, and it really truly will be a beacon in the downtown heart of San Lorenzo.
Well, it's going to be the perfect marriage of restoration of all the significant features, but it will be a modern interior. So in order to provide accessibility, there won't be sloped floors. We'll have flat floors that can be used for dining theater, for cinema, for performances, for weddings. So it'll be much more multi-purpose.
The groundbreaking event was really successful this morning. A lot of people showed up. The county, the San Lorenzo community showed up, and the local people are very excited about this project. They want to see this Lorenzo Theater come back alive, and I'm so excited to have this for them.
Plant Construction was such a wonderful partner in our first phase that we actively looked to work with them a second time around.